Welcome, one and all. This is Enigma, your host, and today I want to talk to you about a very important subject surrounding an animated character from a game that Blizzard has created. The name of the game is Overwatch, or should I call it Booty, or the Big Fat Butt, whichever one you wish. You see, there's a controversy surrounding this character as to whether or not this character is too sexualized. Now, your idea of sexualized may differ from mine, but that being the case, I want to point out some very specific points about this character that seems to be causing this controversy. The character in question is called TRACER. Now, this character is a young teen that swiftly moves around the battlefield per her name, sending off tracer shots into her unwitting foes. She is an assassin. Her sole job in the game, when you play her, is to go around and kill other people. Now, far be it for me to tell someone how to raise their child, but if it was my child, I'll be far more concerned about her looking up to a character whose sole job is to go around putting bullets in other people's faces. Why is it that killing someone is seen as secondary compared to someone showing off their natural physique, i.e. their butt? Now, I don't know about you, but speaking personally here, I have a bottom, and I believe you do too. You may want to check the mirror if you're not sure about that. And everyone else around us also have bottoms. Now, the character is wearing a tight yellow spandex outfit, not unsimilar to the yoga pants that many girls sport today. And no one's going around telling the young girls out there, oh my goodness, chop off your butt. We can't have your butt being shown to any children out there, because that would be foolish. Neither should we go around dictating to a game company if they should show a character wearing spandex. Because guess what? Spandex does exist, and some people do wear them. And when they wear spandex, their figure does show. Now, this begs to a bigger problem in our society. Since when did being sexual become bad? Now, let's be real for one moment. Everyone is sexualized, both men and women. To state or think that the female form is not sexual or that the male form is not sexual is simply foolishness. Sex is the core of our being. It is the purpose of male and female. No matter what, you must have male and female to procreate the species. And sexuality is the focus of that. Now, what I find disturbing is that this parent has decided for their young child that killing people is okay to grow up and idolize, but showing your figure or being sexual in any form is bad. That is just scary, because killing people should be considered the worst thing you could do. And wearing clothing that their child is going to wear, by the way, is not bad. You putting on yoga pants or spandex that does not automatically make you a horrible person. It does not make you someone that should be stuck in a closet somewhere because, oh, heaven forbid, a child see your butt crack. That is just stupid. We should be focusing on the horrible things that's going on in our society, such as real people going around killing other real people. Now, that should be the core of the discussion. The fact that her child or his child is growing up idolizing a character that's going around teaching them to kill people and shoot them in the face, and that is okay. Now, I leave you this thought. I hope that this is not the beginning of game companies censoring their own media, for there are those out there such as myself that enjoy celebrating the human form. And to those out there that find this material offensive, simply do not buy the material. There are some games I do not like. I do not purchase them. There are some movies I do not like. I do not purchase them. If you find that a movie or a game you do not like it, you do not have to purchase it. But do not come into my home and tell me or dictate to me what I should watch or what I should play. And I will not come into your home and dictate to you what you should watch and what you should play. This is how wars are started. This is how civil unrest begins. A small pebble thrown into a pond and the ripples shoot out in all directions. You don't know how far this nightmare can go if you allow it to be. This has been Enigma with another critical thought. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe. I'll be coming with more critical thinking in the future.